ready? Let's see which truck you get first. Hey, look right here, not at the TV. All right, don't open them for him. Oh. Open it up. Who'd you get? Who is it? Show it here. Show the camera. You did. Look at that. Let me see. Hold on. I'll give it right back. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Here's that one. You want the other one? Ready? Here's the other one. You got one grave digger. That's like a blue ice grave digger. What's in this one? Let me see. That's Northern Nightmare. Right? Northern Nightmare. Woo! Here you go. All right, ready? You got two more. Ready? Open that one. Oh, it's right there. Right there. You got a piece of hair on your finger. Another horsepower one. Show the camera. Let me see. Yeah, show it right here. Look at that. What? That one is horsepower. Go with your other mini ones. All right, last one. Then Mommy saved two for Easter. All right, here's your last one. Which one did you get?
What did you do?
Oh, cool. Let me see. It is the Great Clips one. Master Warrior.
Master Warrior.
Yeah. Do you like those?